Hey guys, John Adams, Modern Design Aquascaping. Our team builds custom ponds, fountains, and waterfalls out of natural stone and wood. My goal is to educate and inspire the world about ponds and water features. Today's video is the beginning of an amazing project that we got to be a part of. We were invited to Nashville by JVI Secret Gardens a couple of months ago to do an incredible project. It's an existing earth pond that's fed by a stream. There's an intake bay that we're creating off to the right side of this gazebo where we're going to pull water in from the pond itself. The prevailing winds blow right into this section. So we're going to build this intake bay, and then we're going to pump the water around the other side of the gazebo, and we're going to build a big wetland filter with an awesome waterfall that goes back into the pond. I'm going to take you back to that day right now. This is the first video. This one is going to cover the intake bay, and it's going to cover the adjustments that we make to the natural overflow of this existing pond. So watch this. It's a little more detailed. I'm going to show a lot of time lapse. If you pay attention, you're going to be able to see all the different things that we do along the way to make this project happen. And we're going to stay on the intake bay side of things this time around. The next video is going to follow through and give you what you need to understand what happens on the far end to do the wetland filter where the water rises up and the waterfall that returns. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys love it. Later. One of the most important things for the homeowner is that this is swimmable, that it's awesome and that it's swimmable. And there are huge snapping turtles in both ponds, and they were like, we want the turtles out because when you make this awesome, we want to get in it. We don't want to be afraid of these giant turtles. And there is one turtle that I've seen already that is like this big. It is so huge, and we just caught one that was, I don't know, mediocre 20-pound turtle. But anyways, so that's what Nick's doing. He's catching some bait, he's catching some turtles, and part of our job is to fish.
Working really hard over here.
So yeah, our materials aren't here, and we hit a road bed in the bottom of our hole, so instead of being done with our hole today, it's going to take us another half a day at least to get that thing cleaned out and protect our liner. And oh yeah, there's giant thunderhead right over top of us and lightning and all that. So we're gonna cut out an hour early today, start an hour early tomorrow, and hit it with the fresh new set of eyes and an attitude. Later. go. One of the things on this job, like I said, is the snapping turtles. Nick's got number 3 hooked up over here. Let's go see what we got going on. This thing is loaded with turtles.
Meet me where the meadows grow by the water hole. It's a dream.
That was a bare-handed catch there.
Watch your finners. Tristan,
You can't reach me.
look what you got here. Hey, buddy.
Oh, he gonna get you.
What's happening? You, my friend, got an ugly mug.
Broke your line, huh?
Must say it twice. Shed this layer of overthinking. Oh, I don't wanna be less than I can be. Waterfalls wash me. The wicked drowning water, let go, wicked water. Wicked drowning water. I don't wanna be less than I can be. Waterfalls wash me and cleanse me. The wicked drowning water, let go, wicked water. Wicked drowning water. I don't wanna be less than I can be. Waterfalls wash me. The wicked drowning water, let go, wicked water. Wicked drowning water. I don't wanna be less than I can be. Waterfalls wash me and cleanse me. The wicked drowning water, let go, wicked water. Wicked drowning water. We're not gonna wait, not gonna waste our time. We're not gonna stress, not gonna make a mess. Oh, no, I don't wanna be less than I can be. Waterfalls wash me. The wicked drowning water, let go, wicked water. You wicked drowning water. I wanna be less than I can be. Waterfalls wash me and cleanse me. The wicked drowning water, let go, wicked water.
just want to stop and shoot a little video and tell you guys where we are on our intake. We completed the sides over here yesterday. We got all the rock work done. We started doing the edge treatments, and now we're ready to start working our way towards the pond. So we're actually going to cut 10 feet at a time to build this stream in here, roll back our liner and our underlayment. We're going to dig a big chunk out, then we're going to bring our liner and underlayment in. We're going to build that first chunk of stream. We want to get as close to this earth pond as we can. As soon as we start seeing water leak through, we're going to have to flood this side and complete the rest of it in the mud underwater. So let's get as much of this done as we can, and we'll check back in with you guys. Watch the time lapse.
Hey guys, Tristan with Modern Design Aquascaping, and today is day 8, I think, is what we got going. So you can see behind me, we've got this giant bridge in here, and man, is this thing sweet. All the machine wanted to set this thing. It was tipping the whole time, it was hard to spin, it was just a challenge the entire way, building this thing from the bottom up, getting it all nice and scotched. But you can see in the background back there, got Dad over there working on the intake bay. He's almost finished up back there. He's got all the plumbing and everything buttoned up, and we are making our way towards where you're sitting right now, which is actually only about 3 feet away from the breach that we got to make. So what we're going to be doing today, we're going to get that buttoned up like he's got right now. Then we're going to rock our way right out of town. We'll be back on Monday. So thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned.
So it's beautiful and quiet out here this morning. I just want you to check out how good the intake bay is working. We only have 1 pump going on this bad boy right now. It's set up to handle 4, and still yet it's done its job. Check out the leaf material that's down in there. It's been pulling stuff in off the pond, and it's I'm just super happy with the way it's working already. And we don't even have it running. It's running at 25% capacity and it's working just fine. So this is a good sign for me. Time for somebody to get in here with the dip net and start scooping the leaves out of this thing so it can continue doing what it's doing. It's actually backed up leaves almost all the way out into the mouth of the stream. So time to get busy.
Wake me up, I'm getting tired of sleep. Think I've had enough. I've been gone, but haven't done much healing. It's pretty clear to me. Kinda strange how I can take a beating from my better self. It's like no one else even really scratches the surface. 'Cause nobody gets me.
Hey guys, this video is part one covering the intake bay as well as the adjustments to the existing overflow on the earth pond. The next part of the video will cover the wetland filter and some cool artistic stuff that we get to do with the waterfall that returns the water back into the existing earth pond. So stay tuned for that and all of the amazing after footage that we get when the project is finished. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I know there was a lot of detail and a lot of time lapse, but I really wanted you to be able to get in there and see what we were doing and how we were doing it. So do me a favor, if you liked the video, give us a thumbs up, tell us that you enjoyed it. Comment or ask questions about anything that you want to ask questions about, man. I am here for you. I want you to be inspired and educated about ponds and water features. So get busy. Click the bell if you want to be notified immediately when I put out more content. And as always, thanks for watching and have an amazing day. See y'all.